watching my channel. Thanks for subscribing and liking, or even don't like it. Today we are doing a review of the Professional Nails Dip Powder Recycling System. You might have seen these from Takira Sky, but this one I got from AliExpress. It's in one of my AliExpress nail haul videos. We're gonna have a look at it, and I'm gonna be using some microbeads from Recollections. You can get these at Michael's. I'm just gonna put it over top of my nail and I'll show you guys how that works. I'm just gonna get this set up. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna use the canny base coat just to get it sticky, to kind of show you guys how this kind of works. So you just put whatever you want it to stick to. It doesn't have to be a base coat. It could be glue, it could be a gel, it could even be a top coat or whatever, right? Whatever that you're using. You just want it to stick to something. Oops, and I just got the cuticle, but this is just a demonstration, not a service, right guys? So it comes with a funnel if you ever want to put things back in, right? I have sanitized my hands before doing this and washed them, of course. You want to be clean and safe. So it's got the 2 layers there. At first it's kind of hard to get out, but once you do it a few times, I'm sure the mechanism or whatever that holds it would be a lot easier to go in and out. See, it's already starting to work better now. The first time I had to hold it down like this with my thumb, but it's coming out good. So like I said, we're using microbeads from Michael's. And so you just put your finger in there, or your client's finger, whoever you're doing really, and you just dump it over. And you could use a brush just to kind of clean it up, but right now I'm just using my finger. And yeah. So then what you do, just pull it out, right? And then dump it back over. If you wanted to do a second layer or something, if you're using glitter, you might want to do like another coat or whatever. I'm kind of a klutz, don't mind me. And then you go like this, grab the other one again, and then just dump it back over, right? I don't even think I would need to at this point, and I actually might keep it on there, I'm not sure, but I wasn't using it for an actual set, right? So as you can see, it's coverage, and in the system, everything is now at the bottom, so then you just dump it back over, right? Oh, darn it, I pulled it out all at the same time. Well, like I said, I am a klutz. Oh, it's in the wrong drawer, that's why. Yeah, everything's down there, then you could dump it back in. If you use it just on yourself, then you could always use the funnel and put it back inside. And yeah, I think this is actually a pretty neat investment. It was like maybe $4. Totally.